Now, how are you deployed? So is this going in public cloud? Is it going in private clouds? Is it machines, in a data center in the broadcast, you know, uh,
Hmm.
uh,
O-
broadcast facility?
Originally, we're software providers. So we sell our software, and they just install it on regular PCs from Dell, HP, Supermicro, whatever,
Sure.
whatever they like.
x86, right? Or do you support our
Yes,
x86?
x86 at the moment. We used to have an ARM version in the past. We may start it again eventually, but at the moment x86, yes.
Okay.
And so Intel and AMD, basically, mostly.
Yeah.
And so originally people ran it in their own local data center. Usually, all broadcasters have some kind of room that they call the data center, and they
Yeah.
run it there. But more and more, we're shifting towards the services model. I think that's the case of most software editors, actually. Many people just start their own cloud, and so that represents now a majority of our revenue, actually, the services part. And so we just run our software for our customers. Kind of things we do: we downlink channels from the satellite, we transcode them, we send it via SRT to clients at the other end of the world, or to French telcos, and so on. So that's now a major part of our revenue. Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, that's great.
And of course,
Well,
it also runs on the cloud. We have many customers run it on
yeah,
AWS or GCP, for
yeah.
instance. And ourselves, we have some servers. We probably have 30 servers in the cloud for our own customers as well. So
Yeah, interesting. Okay. Well, somewhere along the line, you came across this new category of encoder called BPU, and this company called NetInt. So, how did that happen? And, I think a lot of listeners would be interested to hear your journey from software encoding on CPU. Curious if you tried or if you deployed GPU, or if you just jumped straight to BPU. But why don't you, share your experiences there?
yes, I have been in the past. I have been a strong advocate, actually, of software encoding. In the 2000s, I was one of the first to put into production X264 on channels that were previously done by FPGA or that kind of technology.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But the new
And by
Intel
the way, in
CPUs, yeah,
2000, you
yeah,
were going very much against the conventional wisdom.
exactly,
Everything was hardware encoders. So, you were
exactly.
really you were on the cutting edge. Yeah.
Absolutely.